Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the partner code in Exness in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on exness.com. Afterwards, log in into your account if you haven't already. Now on Exness, you usually can't directly change the partner code yourself from the account's settings. Most of the partners or the IB changes must be processed through the Exness support. So here on the home page, you are going to see this type of message icon in the bottom right hand corner. So when you click on it, you will be shown this type of message box. So in this message box, users have to simply type change partner code. Now, as soon as you type this, you are going to see this type of link plus all of the steps that you need to follow. Like first of all, when you click on this particular link, it will be opened in a new tab and it is going to look something like this. So you need to simply fill out this form, which requires you to select the reason for the partner change. Then you just have to select the new partner's link on the wallet or account. Afterwards, you just have to provide the information about where did you find your new partner, then leave a comment and click on the option of submit. Now, as soon as you click on the option of submit, within 3 business days, your request will be processed and you will be able to successfully change the partner code on Exness. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.